Okay, so now we have the motherboard by itself. Complete disassembly. Got the motherboard right there. That's the motherboard, that's the logic board and all its circuitry. Okay, that's the power button that also needs to be soldered on there. There's some chips here that can be soldered on and off. There are a lot of things that can be soldered in. Repair with hot air or soldering. There's the these chipsets right here can all be right here can be repaired with soldering. This battery plate can be repaired. The microphone can be repaired, and also the charging port. But in this particular case, it's the charging port. We're gonna just fix that. Okay. So what we have is here a Kendall soldering iron. Right. We're gonna put it at about 385 degrees. Okay. We also have a hot air rework station as well. So let's get to work. Okay. Get my handy and dandy helping hands. Right here. Okay. I think that's the best I can do right now. I guess that'll have to do. Forgive me for the bad lighting. Okay. Yeah, that'll just have to do. Alright, anyways, here we go, let's get to work. We're gonna wet our soldering iron with a wet sponge just to shock off some residue. We're gonna start off by getting some of this isopropyl alcohol and cleaning it. Clean it really well. Ideally, you want to cover this microphone with some kind of protective tape or screening. But I'm feeling really lazy right now, so I'm just gonna try to do my best not to touch any components. Okay, so we're gonna. Just get some solder on there. Just get it to reflow. And for the rest of this work, we're going to get a hot air gun. We want to get some solder on all those joints just to make sure that it's reflowing. Okay. And then from here, we'll clean our tip with the tip cleaner. We're going to clean that. Turn off the solder gun for now and turn on it. Carefully make sure the only thing that gets hot air is that port and nothing else. Periodically going to test to see if it's been detached yet. Probably need to get a new helping hands. Let's try this. Let's just remove the helping hands for now. I don't know if you can get that. I don't know getting any of that. As you can see, it came right off. Okay, I'm gonna put that away. We don't need that hot air anymore. Now we're gonna bring that solder gun back out. We're gonna use some solder flux. Get it on there. Okay, and now we're going to get some solder off there. Now it's got the, not that you cleaned it, I'm going to spray it one more time. Use a toothbrush and clean it out. We're going to get a new port. We're going to try our best to align it. Okay. I don't know, it's not easy to see from where you are, but please bear with me. I'm going to put some more flux. Here we go. Tackle some corners first. Finally, we're gonna get some sort of paste. Okay. Reestablish the connections. We're gonna reassemble it, and we're gonna test it out. All right. And you guys know how to reassemble it because I have a reassembly video. So check it out. And as we can see here, now it's charging. Let me put it in again. I'm gonna put it in right now. There we go. Now it's in. Right? Perfectly charging. I don't have to bend it or anything. It's charging perfectly. Alrighty. So that's how you fix a charging port on a Galaxy S3.